Wonderful, brilliant people. Today's lesson, you're gonna love it. I love it. It's ellipses. In order to graph this equation, x squared plus 4y squared plus 6x minus 8y plus 9 equals 0, you're gonna have to do this thing called completing the square. So first, you have to put your x's and your y's together. So then it turns into x squared plus 6x, and you have to make a blank here. You have to add that over later. And then you do 4y minus 8y plus whatever. So then you first start by doing x squared plus 6x. So you take out the square. Then x plus 3, you cut the 6 in half. And so that turns into x plus 3 squared. And what you have to do is you have to square that 3, which turns into 9. You put it over here. Also, put it over here. And then for the y's, you have to take the 4 out, so it turns into 4 in parentheses y minus 2. And you have to take half of 2, so it turns into 4 times y minus 1 squared. And 1 squared is 1, but you have to distribute it out with the 4 piece. And this turns into plus 4. And then it turns into x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 4y squared minus 8y plus 4. And then from the beginning, you subtracted the 9 out over here. Then it's minus 9 plus 9, which is 0, plus 4, which is 4. And finally get x plus 3 squared plus 4 times y minus 1 squared equals 4. And to get rid of the 4 to make it a 1, you have to divide everything by 4. Then you get x plus 3 squared over 4 plus y minus 1 squared over 1 equals 1. And this is the standard formula. I'm going to bring up my student teacher, Scott.
Hey Bailey, what's the triangle say to the circle? Your pointless.
Oh, just graph it. No.
Alrighty, to start graphing an ellipse, you're going to start with the center. So this center, this graph is -3, 1. Go over here on our graph. Block it up there. It goes 2 units in each x direction. So we're going to do 2. That's 3. We go up 1 in the y direction. We've got our basic shape of our ellipse here.
Beautiful.
Now to plot the foci, we need to use this equation here, a minus b squared, a squared minus b squared, which gives us root 3, because a squared is 4, minus b squared is 4. And we do this. Okay. So from the center, which is -3, 1, we're going to go over root 3, -3, minus root 3, up 1. And then we're going to go over root 3 again. And 3 plus up 1. And those are our foci.
Here to talk about eccentricity is my second student teacher in education. Okay, so eccentricity is basically a formula that shows how oval our ellipse is, and this ellipse, the formula for that is eccentricity is equal to distance from the center to the foci divided by the distance from the center to the vertex. So the two going to be our the 8. And in this case, it's going to be equal to the square root of 3 over. Quick joke, quick here about eccentricity. Why didn't the circle invite the ellipse to dinner?